Morning, children. How are you? All of you? I want to meet you, huh? I'll come for one meeting with your class teacher. I'll talk to you. બહુ ટાઈમથી છોકરાઓ નથી જોયા. Yeah, I want to see you all. Huh? So now see, children, one poem I'm leaving just now. એક poem છે એ છોડીએ છે. We are starting lesson number 2. And before I start the lesson, listen to me. બધા જ સાંભળો, parents બી અને students also. Now grammar, જે બી PDF તમને આવે, that you have to write in your grammar books. Grammar જો ના મળી હોય workbooks, then you can start writing in any HW or CW, ક્યાંય બી લખજો. So you will get practice, okay? And those lessons I will send you again. ના મળ્યા હોય તો કંઈક some technical mistake was there, એટલે નથી પહોંચ્યા તમને, okay? Yeah, so today I'm starting lesson number 2, page number, all of you open 17 of your honeysuckle. Now see, you may know that the dog and the wolf are closely related. They are all one same family. You may also know something about how over the centuries human beings have domesticated and tamed wild animals. Yeah, human beings, એટલે આપણે we can tame them. Here is a story about how the dog became a tame animal. Now see, paragraph 1. Meanings are given, that those you will have to learn by heart. Compulsory, everybody. Dogs were once their own masters. Once upon a time, dogs were their own master. પોતાના જ માલિક હતા. And nobody was ruling them. And lived the way wolves do. Wolves કેવા હોય? શિયાળ. They live in the jungles, no? In freedom. Until a dog was born who was ill-pleased with this way of life. Now the dog was born who was ill-pleased, who was unhappy with the way of his life. He was sick and tired of wandering about by himself. Now the dogs have to go and find food. So this dog was tired. He was very tired and he was not feeling well also. બીમાર હતો. Now turn page 18. Now looking for food and being frightened of those who were stronger than him. The dog was frightened of other animals who were stronger than him. So what happened? He thought it over. He thought, vichare che, and decided that the best thing for him to do was to become the servant of one who was stronger than anyone on earth. Okay, I will become the servant. હું એનો servant બની જઈશ. Who is the stronger than anyone else, and he set out to find such a master. He walked and he walked and he met a kinsman of his. Relative. Kinsman એટલે relative. Of his own. Inside. Than anyone on earth, and he set out to find such a master. So kinsman મળે છે, somebody of his own type, relative. A big wolf. કોણ મળે છે? Big wolf. Wolf એટલે કોણ? શિયાળ. Who was as strong, he was fierce. He was very fierce, મોટો અને strong. Where are you going, dog? The wolf asked. Wolf પૂછે છે, where are you going, dog? So he's answering, I am looking for someone to take up service with. I want to go and do service to him. મારે કોઈના માટે કામ કરવું છે. Okay? બધા service કરવા જાય ને? Like that. Would you like to be my master, Wolf? Wolf, will you be my master? I will be your servant. I don't see why not, the wolf said. Wolf said, okay, I don't mind. And this agreed upon. They agreed. Okay. The two of them went on together. Now both of them are going together. Who? Dog and the wolf. They walked and they walked. They walked and they walked. And all of a sudden, suddenly what happens? The wolf lifted his nose. એમ કરે, સૂંઘે છે. Sniffed and darted quickly off the path. That means he quickly ran away. See, meanings are given here, children. Meanings karjo, okay? I'll ask you an exam. Huh? So he darted away, went fast. And what he did? And into the bushes and crept deeper into the forest. He ran away, he went in the bushes, he hid himself. છુપાઈ જાય છે. Hmm? The dog was surprised, much surprised. Dog is telling, oh, my master is afraid. So what happens now? What's come over you, master? Master, what happened? He asked. What has frightened you so much? Why are you afraid? કોનાથી ડરી ગયા તમે? Can't you see? There is a bear out there. જો ભાલુ છે ત્યાં, bear is there. And he might eat up both of us. He will come and eat you and me. બેયને ખાઈ જશે. Now what to do? Seeing that the bear was stronger than the wolf, the dog decided to take up service with him. So dog is thinking, okay, now I will be servant of bear. And he left the wolf and asked the bear to be his master. He went to the bear, you be my master. The bear agreed to this readily. Bear is saying, okay, I will be your master. And said, let us go and find a herd of cows. Chalo, let us go and find herd of cows. Herd ખબર છે ને, ઘણી બધી cows. And I'll kill a cow. I'll kill one cow. And then we can both eat our fill. We can fill our stomach. પેટ ભરાય એટલું ખાશું, okay? They walked on and soon saw a herd of cows. Soon they saw a herd of cows. But just as they were about to come up to it, they were stopped by a terrible noise. A terrible noise, ભયંકર અવાજ આવે છે. The cows were mooing loudly. Cows are mooing. Cow બોલે ને શું કહેવાય? A cow moves. A cat mews. A dog barks. ખબર છે ને? So, and running in a panic in all directions. They are frightened. All are running here and there. The bear looked out from behind a tree. From behind the tree, the bear is looking. Who is it? And then he too ran hastily deeper into the forest. Even the bear ran away. Now what happens? See, page 20 now. Now, why did I have to come here? Said he to the dog. Okay, why did I come here? It is the lion who rules the forest. Who rules the forest? Who is the king of the forest? Lion. Who rules the forest in these parts? The lion? Who is he? Don't you know? ઓલું પૂછે છે, don't you know? He is the strongest beast on earth. That means he is the strongest animal on earth. Well then, I'll say goodbye to you. Okay, bye. કહી દે છે. And went to ask the lion to be his master. The lion agreed to it. And the dog stayed with him and served him for a long, long time. The lion is going and staying with the lion. હવે lion એનો master છે. It was a good life and he had nothing to complain of. He had nothing to complain. કોઈ complain નથી. Who's the dogs? For there was no stronger beast in the forest than the lion, and no one dared touch the dog or offend him in any way. Nobody is calling that dog also, oh, he's the lion's dog. We can't harass him or we can't disturb him. We are keeping the dog also nicely. Dog ne bhi fine રીતે રાખે છે, okay? Because his master is the lion. But one day the two of them were walking side by side. One day the lion and the dog were walking side by side along a path that ran amid bare cliffs. Cliffs એટલે બધા ઓલા શું કહેવાય, hills બધા, નાની નાની પહાડીઓ, એમાં they are walking. When all of a sudden the lion stopped. He gave a great roar. જોરથી roar કરે છે. And struck the ground angrily with his paw. એના પગથી પછાડે છે ground ને. And with his paw, and such force that a hole formed there. એટલો જોરથી પગ પછાડ્યો, there was a hole there. Hole થઈ જાય છે. Then he began to back away very quietly. ચૂપચાપ પાછળ જાય છે. What is it, master? Is anything wrong? Asked the dog, surprised. Dog is surprised. Array, why is this my master afraid of whom? I smell a man coming this way. Man is coming here. The lion said, we had better run for it, or we will be in trouble. Let us run away. Oh, well, then I say goodbye to you. Dog is telling goodbye to lion also. Hmm? I want a master who is stronger than anyone on earth. And off the day, from that day onwards, dog went to join the man and stayed with him and served him faithfully. We know na, a dog is a faithful animal. This happened long, long ago. But to this day, even today, to this day means Ajepan, the dog is man's most loyal servant and knows no other master. Okay? The story is over. Now you have to read yourself. Okay? You will all read at home. I will be giving you PDF. In that I will write. If there is anything to copy in CW, to karvanu. Otherwise, write in this only and start learning. Okay? Bye, children.